Now let us move on to the next type of osmotic solution, that is the hypertonic, and it's really interesting. So let's move on to the next one now. So the next type of osmotic solution is hypertonic solution. So what is a hypertonic solution? A hypertonic solution, these are those solutions which have osmotic concentration higher than that of another solution. Okay, so what's going to happen now? Say we have taken the blood cell here, okay, or we have taken the plant cell here, like this. So what is here? The osmotic pressure inside the cell is higher than the environment or the outside. So what's going to happen? All the water is going to move out. All the water is going to move out. So now how this is going to look like? This is going to look like something like this. This will become flaccid. Okay. So you've seen raisins, right? So you know that raisins are formed from grapes. When the grapes dry, all the water oozes out, it becomes raisins, right? So raisins are what? They are not as turgid and as strong and of the same shape as that of the grapes. You know, the grape will be this size, but then the raisins will just, they will shrink and they will, reduce in size. It's the same thing happens. That's also an example, right? So this blood cell will also reduce just like a raisin. And here in the plant cell, most of the water is going to ooze out, of course, okay, but the cell wall is going to stay as it was. It's just going to be a little soft, it's not going to change the shape, because the cell wall is responsible for maintaining the shape, but then the cellular content will move inside. So let me show you how this will look. So they say this is the cell wall of the cell, but before it was covering the most of the part in the cell, right? Now it will be like maybe shrink and